In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 17 free courses on coding, and these are offered by SoloLearn. So at first, let's see what are these 17 free courses on coding with free certificate. To know these courses, you need to scroll it down, and here you can find view all our courses. Just simply click over there. When you click there, then you will get the 17 free coding courses. So what are these? The first one is Python 3, C++, Java, JavaScript, C, SQL, machine learning, DS with Python, HTML, PHP, CSS, jQuery, Ruby, React, Angular, and the last finally Swift 4. And these are the 17 free courses on coding. So to enroll this course, at first you need to create account. So to create account, you need to again go back the previous page. When you come back on this page, then you need to create account. To create account, you can use your new email, name, password, or you can sign up with Google. So simply click over there. Okay, well, when you log in or create your account using your Gmail, then you will get this interface, and here you can find this 17 coding courses here. So, and here you can see the number of learners with each courses. So here you can see for this Python course, the number of learners are 6.6 millions. So we can do it fast course. But if you want, you can do any courses. For I am showing you how to enroll these courses. To enroll this course, you just need to simply click over any courses. Then here you will get this interface. Just simply select no thanks. Then your course will initiating here like this way. Okay, so here is your everything about this course Python. For example, you would like to learn from the basic concepts. Just simply click over their basic concepts, and here these are locked. You can unlock this one by one. So for example, I'd like to select here welcome to Python. When you click here, then you need to go through this instruction or reading, because you need to answer the questions from this knowledge. If you click here, then you will get multiple choice. If you give the correct answer, then you'll be able to unlock this. Okay, when you are able to give the correct answer, then you will be able to unlock this. Then again click here, and okay, you have completed it. So in this way, you can unlock one by one, and you will get your free certificate after completing these courses. So I think it will be helpful for you.